Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to learn how to upload multiple pictures on Pinterest. It's quick and easy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in so you can start creating pins right away. Step 2. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your pin creation begins. Step 3. Select Pin from the options that appear. This lets you upload images directly from your device. Step 4. Tap on Photos to access your phone's gallery. Here you'll choose the pictures you want to upload. Step 5. Select multiple pictures from your gallery by tapping on each one. You'll see a check mark confirming your selection. Step 6. Tap Next to move forward. This takes you to the editing and customization screen. Step 7. Tap Next again to proceed. Now you're almost ready to publish your pin. Step 8. Add a title or link if you want. This step is optional, but helps others find your content easily. Step 9. Tap Create to finish uploading your multiple pictures. That's it. Your pin is now live. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.